Hey team, it's Mr. Z, and today we're going to rewrite some expressions using rational exponents. Let's take a closer look. So the idea behind rational exponents is just the general understanding that if I have the square root of x, there's some hidden information going on. So what I need you to understand is when there's no index written, it's assumed it's going to be a square root. So when I'm writing this, I'm going to go ahead and rewrite it as a rational expression. That means it's going to be x is going to be to the exponent over the index. Well, what is the exponent? Technically, there's an invisible 1 there. So to rewrite it, it's going to be 1 over 2. My next example would be 3, the cube root of x. Well, that's going to be x is to the 1/3. This is the logic that we're going to actually use to explain why that the square root of x squared, that is going to be, well, x is going to be 2 over 2, and that's going to cancel out to just be 1, which is why that x squared, when you take the square root of it, that just leaves you with x. So I'm going to just rewrite each expression using rational exponents. I don't have to do anything crazy. I just have to rewrite it. So this first one, I'm going to rewrite it as a is 2 over 3 times b 4 over 3 times c to the 5/3. For this next one, number 5, I'm not going to go do anything fancy. I'm going to just rewrite this as x plus y to the power over the radical. I'm going to do the same thing again. I'm going to represent this 32. Now, what is the exponent of 32? There's no exponent there. That means that it's going to be an invisible 1 over 5 times f. What is the exponent? 4 over 5. And I'm done. I can simplify this if I want. If you know that the cube or the fifth root of 32 is 2, you can go ahead and do that one extra step. My final example is just to kind of communicate the following, that when I rewrite it using a rational exponent, that the denominator is included as well. So just remember, when there is no exponent, it is assumed it's 1. When there is no index, it is assumed that it's 2. And the idea is that the only thing we need to know is that a square root, a cube root, is considered a rational exponent, a fractional exponent. That's it for now. Go try it on your own. That's it.